Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication. Our model problem is 984 times 2. And I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. I'm Mr. Camilleri, and this is the Mr. Camilleri Show YouTube channel. Alright, so step 1, we are going to multiply the 2 digits in the ones place. We are going to multiply 4 times 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. Now we do not need to regroup because our product is less than 10. We only regroup when our product is 10 or more. 8 times 2 equals 16. In the tens place, we do need to regroup. The 6 and 16 is going to go in the tens place. The 1 is going to get carried over to the hundreds place. 9 times 2 equals 18. Plus 1 equals 19. And we have our final answer. 984 times 2 equals 1,968. All right, next example. Shout out to everybody tuning in. I appreciate you. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. All right, 754 times 5. That's my next example problem. So we're starting out in the ones place. We're going to multiply 4 times 5 to start. 4 times 5 equals 20. Because our product is more than 10, we will need to regroup. So the 0 in 20 goes in the ones place. The 2 gets carried over to the tens place. Next, we are going to multiply 5 times 5. And then we have to add the 2 that we carried over to our answer. So 5 times 5 equals 25. Plus 2 equals 27. So the 7 and 27 is going to go in the tens place. The 2 is going to get carried over to the hundreds place, because we regroup whenever our product is 10 or more. 7 times 5 equals 35. Plus 2 equals 37. And we have our final answer. 754 times 5 equals 3,770. All right, next example. I'm going to take a screenshot of this. I like screenshots. Also a great way to check your answers. All right. $489 times 3. That'll be my next example. So we're going to start out in the ones place. 9 times 3 equals 27. Again, because our product is more than 10, we have to regroup. The 7 in 27 stays in the ones place. The 2 gets carried over to the tens place. 8 times 3 equals 24. We have to add the 2 that we carried over to our answer. 24 plus 2 equals 26. So now the 6 and 26 goes in the tens place. The 2 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 4 times 3 equals 12. We have to add the 2 to our product, and that 12 becomes 14. And we have our final answer. 489 times 3 equals 1,467. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. I appreciate you. Next example. $908 times 4. So we start out in the ones place. 8 times 4 equals 32. We regroup because our product is more than 10. The 2 and 32 goes in the ones place. The 3 gets carried over to the tens place. 0 times 4 equals 0, but we have to add the 3 that we carried over. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 9 times 4 equals 36. And we have our final answer. 908 times 4 equals 3,632. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. Alright, next example. 723 times 9. So again, we multiply in the ones place to start. 3 times 9 equals 27. 7. Carry the 2. 2 times 9 equals 18. Plus 2 equals 20. 0. Carry the 2. 9 times 7 equals 63. Plus 2 equals 65. And we have our final answer. 723 times 9 equals 6,507. All right, brace yourselves for the final problem of the video. 847 times 6. So as always, we start out in the ones place. 7 times 6 equals 42. 2 carry the 4. 4 times 6 equals 24. Plus 4 equals 28. 8 carry the 2. 8 times 6 equals 48. Plus 2 equals 50. And we have our final answer. 847 times 6 equals 5,082. Alright, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.